10 best websites to earn money online in 2025. In today's digital age, earning money online has become more accessible. While popular platforms like Upwork and Fiverr dominate the freelancing world, numerous lesser-known websites can help you boost your income in 2025. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, work remotely, or make extra cash, these platforms offer innovative ways to earn money from the comfort of your home or on the go. Here's a curated list of 10 hidden gems you should explore to unlock your financial potential. Number 1. ProBlogger. Point 1. What it offers. A platform dedicated to bloggers where you can find paid writing gigs. Point 2. How it works. Create a profile, showcase your writing skills, and apply for jobs posted by companies and individuals looking for quality content. Point 3. Who it's for. Writers and bloggers seeking freelance opportunities. Number 2. Teachable. Point 1. What it offers. A platform to create and sell online courses on any subject you're passionate about. Point 2. How it works. Build a course using Teachable's user-friendly tools, set your pricing, and market it to a global audience. Point 3. Who it's for. Educators, professionals, or anyone with expertise in a specific field. Number 3. Rev. Point 1. What it offers. A transcription and captioning service that pays individuals to transcribe audio and video files. Point 2. How it works. Pass a skill test to join Rev's freelancer community, choose tasks that match your expertise, and earn per completed project. Point 3. Who it's for. Fast typists and those with excellent listening skills. Number 4. User testing. Point 1. What it offers. A platform where you get paid to test websites and apps and provide feedback. Point 2. How it works. Sign up, complete test tasks, and record your observations as you navigate websites and applications. Point 3. Who it's for. Tech-savvy individuals with an eye for detail. Number 5. FlexJobs. Point 1. What it offers. A job board featuring remote, part-time, and freelance job opportunities. Point 2. How it works. Subscribe to FlexJobs to access their curated list of flexible job postings across industries. Point 3. Who it's for. Professionals seeking legitimate remote or freelance work. Number 6. Slicethepie. Point 1. What it offers. A unique platform that pays users to review music, fashion, and other products. Point 2. How it works. Listen to tracks, review products, and submit feedback to earn cash. Point 3. Who it's for. Music enthusiasts and those who enjoy reviewing products. Number 7. Honeygain. Point 1. What it offers. A passive income app that pays you for sharing your internet connection. Point 2. How it works. Install the app, let it run in the background, and earn money based on the amount of data shared. Point 3. Who it's for. Those with unlimited internet plans looking for a simple way to earn extra cash. Number 8. Zaarly. Point 1. What it offers. A platform to offer local services like handyman work, cleaning, or other skilled tasks. Point 2. How it works. Create a profile, list your services, and connect with local customers who need help. Point 3. Who it's for. Skilled individuals who want to offer services in their community. Number 9. Airbnb Experiences. Point 1. What it offers. A platform for hosting unique experiences and activities for travelers. Point 2. How it works. Design and list experiences like guided tours, cooking classes, or adventure activities, and earn money when tourists book your service. Point 3. Who it's for. Anyone with a unique skill, hobby, or local knowledge to share. Number 10. TaskRabbit. Point 1. What it offers. A marketplace to find and complete local tasks such as furniture assembly, moving help, or house cleaning. Point 2. How it works. Sign up, set your rates, and start taking on tasks in your area. Point 3. Who it's for. Handy and resourceful individuals ready to assist others in their community. Unlock hidden opportunities. These platforms are just the beginning of your journey to earning money online. With dedication, creativity, and consistency, you can turn these opportunities into a steady income stream. Whether you're looking to monetize your skills, passions, or spare time, there's a platform for everyone. Are you ready to start earning online? Google keytools.com to explore more and take the first step toward financial freedom in 2025. Don't forget to support the channel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Hit the like button to show your support and leave a comment to share your thoughts or ask questions. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might find it useful. Your support means the world to me and helps me create even better content for you. Thank you.